Hello and welcome to Tiny Treasures. Today we're going to create hair out of Play-Doh for our little girls. We're going to do purple hair for the girl in the purple dress and pink hair for the girl in the pink skirt. And then we have our scissors and our little comb and we're going to style their hair. So let's start with the purple. We need a big chunk if we're going to do long hair. Grab all of our Play-Doh, and you need to use nice soft Play-Doh for this activity because they're such tiny little holes. This Play-Doh needs to be nice and soft for it to poke through the holes. So we're going to put our Play-Doh inside, just like that. And we're going to put her in the chair, and underneath you can see there's the Play-Doh, and we're going to push and pop. Look at the hair come out. Wow. Maybe we can make it a little bit longer. So let's try and pull our little girl off. Because we've got a little more Play-Doh in there. And we're going to push, push, push. There we go. Oh, there we go. Look at all that hair. Lots of hair, and it's all in her face, so that's why we're going to style it. So we're going to brush and make a part. There we go. We'll do it to the side. We've got our scissors, and we have to cut the front, give her some bangs, and trim the sides a little bit. There we go. One of our dolls is all finished. Next up is the girl in the pink skirt. Now she's already got some pink Play-Doh inside. So let's clean up our purple Play-Doh because we don't want to mix the two. And pat, 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 and put our Play-Doh away for now and bring out the pink Play-Doh. So because there's some Play-Doh in here, there's not very much left in here. So let's pull this out just like that and pop this inside and get ready to grow some hair. And you gotta push, push. Look at the hair, it's growing. Bright pink hair. How fun. And it seems to be growing longer on the sides than it is the top. There we go. Now it's time to style your hair and comb it. So we'll comb this top hair so it's not sticking straight up. And we're going to have to cut the front and trim it, trim the sides a little bit. So we'll trim the front so that you can see, little girl. And we're going to trim the sides. And a little bit more of the bangs. That looks pretty good. Excellent. And thank you so much for coming to Tiny Treasures and styling hair with us today. Please subscribe to our videos. Goodbye. And we have Kitty joining us, and she's checking out our new toy. She loves marble runs, so So she's going, what is this toy all about? Hey, kitty? Do you want another ball, kitty? Hey, that's 1, 2, 3, kitty. Watch the ball. Oh, careful, kitty. You okay? You okay, kitty? And Kitty seems to approve the toy. So thank you so much for coming to Tiny Treasures and joining Kitty and I. Please subscribe to our videos. Goodbye. Hello and welcome to Tiny Treasures. Today we're going to do some magic with our coloring book. As you can see, our coloring book has nothing inside. So what are we going to do? Are we going to color the pages or are we going to do some magic? I know. I've got my little magic wand. 1, 2, 3, abracadabra. We've got some pictures in there, but there was no color. We've got lots of color here. Let's see if we can magically take this colors and color the pages in the coloring book. Abracadabra. It's magic. We have color in our coloring book. Wonderful. Now we'll do one more trick. Let's make all of our pictures disappear again. 1, 2, 3, abracadabra. And our coloring book is blank once again. And thank you for coming to Tiny Treasures. Please subscribe to our videos. Goodbye. Hello and welcome to Tiny Treasures. Today we are so excited to show you our new toy, the Monchichis Monkey dolls. And for those of you who remember Monchichis, they came out a long time ago in the 70s. And they're little Japanese monkeys. And I'm going to show you the ones that we've got. This is the little boy, Monchichi. And he's got a little red bib. And Tiny Treasures Mini left this little piece of paper as a little napkin in case little boy Monchichi ends up being a little too messy and this will catch a lot of his food. Now, Monchichis are fuzzy all over, with a hard face, a black nose, and cute little freckles. They also have feet just like people because they're like monkeys. And as you'll notice, the Monchichi is holding a little soother, susu, or little bottle that he likes to suck on when he's sleepy. Or if he just wants a little rest. And the little Monchichi doll comes with this little book, and it shows all the different Monchichi dolls that you can collect. So this is the one that we have, and there's the little girl that we have. These are the classic dolls. And you have the classic dolls on the keychain, and one that has eyes that close. And more classics with just the bib. Oh, and then we've got the Monchichi Boutique. And as you can see, you can get all different clothes for your Monchichi. How adorable. And these are the Mother Care Monchichi dolls. And they come with your little baby Monchichi. And the little baby Monchichi has a little baby soother. And there's a little nurse Monchichi that takes care of the babies. The special getting married Monchichis, the 40th anniversary Monchichis, Monchichi World Playhouse, there's a house for the Monchichi dolls, Fashion Monchichis, oh look at the little rainbow outfit, isn't that just adorable? And the little Fashion Monchichis with the little pajamas, little boy and girl pajamas, little sailor outfit and a little dress, and more different clothes for the Monchichi, little teddy bears and little rabbits you can get for your Monchichi. The clothes are just so adorable, as you can see. And these are baby chichis. Oh, they're so cute. Oh, baby chichis. Oh, we have to get a baby chichi. And of course the Christmas Monchichis that hang on the Christmas tree, which you might see in another video we have. So let's look at little sister Monchichi. Oh, she's got little ribbons in her hair, and she's got a little white bib with pink around. And of course they have a little tail and fuzzy back head. And she's gonna suck her little susu. Oh, and they're just so cute. So thank you so much for coming to Tiny Treasures. Please subscribe to our videos. Goodbye. Hello and welcome to Tiny Treasures. Today Iggle Piggle is taking his friends into his garden. Hello, Twirlywoos. Hello, Brobee. Hello, Oh the Owl. And hello, Daniel Tiger. Welcome to Iggle Piggle's garden. Look, the flower fairy has arrived, and she's planted many, many flowers in the garden. Let's go have a look. Look at the beautiful purple flowers she brought as a gift. Thank you, flower fairy. Here comes the rainbow fairy. She is going to bring a beautiful rainbow into the garden. She brought a beautiful silky rainbow for everyone to lie on. Thank you, Rainbow Fairy. Here comes the Lavender Fairy. She's bringing the gift of lovely smelling lavender. Smell it, Iggle Piggle. It smells wonderful. Here's the last fairy. She is bringing the gift of rainbow beads to the garden as a decoration. There are the beads. What a wonderful day and a beautiful garden. Thank you for coming to Tiny Treasures. Please subscribe to our videos. Goodbye. Hello and welcome to Tiny Treasures. Today we're excited to open a new toy, and they're nesting doll sock monkeys. And they've got little fuzzy real yarn hair. So we're going to open them up and stack them together. All right, so we've opened up our little sock monkey dolls, and let's count how many there are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now this monkey is the smallest, and usually the smallest little monkeys or dolls in a nesting set don't open. But what I like about this one is it does open, and it's so tiny. So there's not much you could fit inside that little monkey. And see how they all have different faces? Happy monkey, confused monkey, happy monkey. This monkey's winking. This looks like maybe a scared little monkey. And this little monkey just got a brand new tooth. There we are. So the sock monkey toys on the box of the sock monkey set, there's a sock monkey stuffed animal, and there's also some sock monkey babies and a sock monkey jack-in-the-box. Well, we have 2 of these toys we're going to show you. Hello! Here's our little sock monkey stuffed animal that we have. We also have our sock monkey Jack-in-the-Box. Let's wind it up and see our monkey come out. Woo! And there's our sock monkey. Hello, little sock monkey. Let's put our sock monkey back. And close the lid. Don't come out, monkey. Stay in. Oh my goodness. There, sock monkey has been put away. All right, so now that we've checked out our toys relating to sock monkey, we're just Kitty's checking out the new dolls here. Hi, Kitty. So let's put our sock monkeys together. So we'll take the smallest one. And Kitty likes the little yarn. Cats seem to like yarn. Oh, don't eat the hair, Kitty. Oh, Kitty, don't eat the hair. So we're going to put this little monkey inside here. And then we'll go to the next one. And the next one. And they just stack inside of each other until there's only one left. And so that is our nesting doll sock monkey toy. So thank you so much for coming to Tiny Treasures. Please subscribe to our videos. Goodbye.